Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your browser settings and going straight to privacy or site settings. Don't linger. Once there, find cookie settings and check whether cookies are enabled. Make sure you have any extensions temporarily off that might block cookies. If prompted, choose default site behavior, allow or block third-party cookies, and set exceptions for sites you trust. This first step gets the browser ready so cookie reads and writes work reliably for the sites you'll visit next. Now focus on individual sites. Open the site in question, then view stored cookies through developer tools or the browser's site settings. You can inspect names, values, and expiry. Once done, delete specific cookies to reset a session or clear all cookies for that domain if data is corrupt. Make sure to add exceptions. Allow essential domains, block trackers, or set clear on exit rules. These middle steps control state and privacy without changing global behavior. To finish, reload the site and confirm cookies are behaving. Sessions stay logged in, preferences apply, and functionality returns. If things still fail, disable privacy extensions and retest. Sometimes an add-on blocks cookies silently. When stuck, clear cache plus cookies for that site, then try in a private window to isolate browser profile issues. If problems persist, restart the browser or check system time and extensions. This final troubleshooting tip, toggle extensions and clear site data, resolves most cookie-related problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.